Hi guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix phone heating while charging in your OPPO Find X9 Pro. Bear that in mind that it's normal if you charge your device using the fast charging. It's normal that device heat up. But if you think that the heat is not that normal and it's hotter than it should be, at first what I do recommend is to go, wait a moment, I need to unlock my phone, is to go to the Play Store, go search IQ battery, open. I mean, you have to install this application first, but once it's installed, plug in your cable to this phone from the charger, go to charging, scroll a little bit down, and check all these, as you can see, settings over here. Apart from that, go to health and scroll down to health. No, it wasn't in health. Wait a moment. It was here in the discharging. Temperature 22 Celsius. If you do have here something more than 30 Celsius or even 40, something is wrong and you have to replace the battery. But let's focus on the software issues. At first, what I do recommend is to go into the settings over here and scroll down till you see the battery. Scroll down again till you see battery by usage by app, and remember all the applications that are here. Of course, if they are not system applications. For example, if you do see here any phone booster or anything else like that, uninstall this application. But remember these applications like normal, for example, Facebook, TikTok, Messenger, etc. Here, go to apps, app management, and find the applications that were there in the app management list. For example, let's assume that it was Facebook, just for the purposes of the video. Here, tap battery usage and tap restrict background activity. And now you may have notifications delayed. You may have everything with delay or even not receive anything from the application, but it will work normally when you enter the application, so don't worry about that. This will disable every single thing that causes heat and power consumption in your battery. Apart from that, what I do recommend to use original charger and cable. I mean, by the original, I mean to buy certified chargers, like for example BaseUs or any other application, any other company that's just have any certifications. If you have bought your cable on AliExpress, on Timo, or in Action, it's just or throw away this cable. It's just useless and it won't work. It may even damage your phone. And apart from that, what I do recommend is to avoid using your phone while charging, for example gaming, or for example watching video in 4K, or just scrolling TikToks. Avoid doing that, because it may heat up your phone up to 35 degrees. And no, apart from that, here as you can see, I don't have any case on this phone, and I do recommend to do the same. When you charge your phone, remove the case to improve the heat dissipation. Newer phones, like for example it was Red Magic 11 Pro, it has the water cooling system, and there you don't really have to remove the case. But in every single phone that doesn't have the water cooling and vapor chamber, what I do recommend to remove the case. And apart from that, charge your phone in a cool and ventilated area. Please don't put your phone into your fridge or even a freezer. Just have your phone maybe by the window or something like that. And actually that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on our video. It's really important to us to have your feedback, so please leave your opinion in the comments down below. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.